Good morning, guys. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Baba, you wanna show them your breakfast treat? I'm having a carrot, guys. So, nagluto pa ako ng food ni Kaimu. He's enjoying a carrot. Good boy, Baba. He loves carrots. Yum, yum. We were playing with this ball earlier. Itong ball na to, 4th favorite ball niya from DECATHLON. I'm not gonna steal it, Baba. Kain ka na ng carrot mo. Eat your carrot, Popper. My little Popper. Hi, playtime with Mom. Today is a fun day kasi we're gonna take him to the park. We're gonna go to Highstreet. And then, baka we can also go to the mall. I'm gonna use his meal wrap para makapasok kami. You're good, Popper, Bobber. My little Popper. Good boy. Eat lang, eat, eat. So, I'm cooking him some beef again. I forget, beef cubes yata to from Roostans then. I was thinking, I wanted to make myself some nilaga kasi magandang part ng beef. But then again, kakain mo na lang muna to. I'll just buy some stuff later on for the nilaga. So, I have my carrots na rin kasi. So, beef na lang ulit. So, bumili na ako ng patatas ng isang araw. So, we're just gonna buy the other ingredients later on. Later on, when we get back home, I'll also be trying out this Supreme Chocolate Chunk Brownie Mix. So, I'll try making this via my turbo broiler. Yummy! So, the reason why I love buying beef from Roostans is because sobrang tender. This is Australian beef, guys. Grabe, only the best for Kaimu. It's so tender. So, I'm thinking twice. Maybe I should save one-fourth of this batch for my nilaga. Here's your breakfast, Baba. Come on. Eat your breakfast, Baba. It's hot. Come on, while it's hot. Yeah? Oh, arty daw siya. I ended up cooking beef curry for myself. So, it has carrots and patatas. Tapos, ito naman yung leftover na beef for Kaimu's dinner. And then, I juiced up all my celery na nasa ref para bukas, before going to the gym, I have something to drink na. Kasi it's very time-consuming talaga ng bonggang-bongga. I am thinking about getting a juicer, pero inisip ko pa since I have my Nutriblitzer or Nutriblitzer. So, this one is for today. Hindi ko na alam actually kung pang ilang day ko na to, pero it's not really a big problem kasi I'll be doing this for as long as I can and there is no need to track it. But I think I am on day number 10 or 11 na yata. So, yeah, celery juice. We're about to make my other drink for every morning on an empty stomach. So, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of pure lemon juice and then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and water. So those are my morning cocktails. I got this glass tumbler from an event from Clinique. It actually has this one, para siyang silicone case, Moisture Surge. So it's from, ano ba to? My BKR. I don't know. BKR. So we're gonna drink this up and then I am gonna read a few pages of my new book, God Never Blinks by Regina Brett. And then I lighted my favorite candle, which is from TWG Emperor Sencha. Super duper bango. My little pupper. Super poised ako, girl. Oh my gosh. Excited na siya mag-park. Yes. Love playing songs like this while reading my book. So I'm just gonna read my book for a while and then we're gonna get ready for the park. Hi, baby. Tulog ka pa, ha? Oh, need a lot of energy for later. We're here at Elephant Grounds with Kaimu. Kaimu! Hi, Kaimu! Nakakaloka kasi dito kami sa labas, pero yung pusa, nandun siya, oh. Nakakaloka, muntik sila magrambulan kanina. Funny. And Elephant Grounds, so I just ordered coffee. But they also have food. Such a good boy, Popper. Hi, Uncle Graham! Nothing, just have coffee and then walk. Hey! is your papa. So guapo. I know, baby. Oh, sauce. Want water? I'll ask for water, huh? I'll ask for water. Yeah, we do. Okay, go. Sit. Sit. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh my gosh! Na-meet ni Kaimu isa pang American bully. Si Abby. Dapat nga sila lang nagalo kasi ano sila? Malakas masyado. Para sa ibang aso hindi kaya. Dinadaganan yung iba. Uy, sus! Sabi niya, uy, boy to boy! Abby! Asos!
Gusto nila yung ganyan laro.
Oh! Kaimu!
Ayaw, hindi ka pinapansin natin.
Kaimu! Oh, say hi to your friend. Come on. Guys! Guys!
Yan ang problema sa ano nila,
Malakas sumatak. Grabe.
lalo na siya, ano ng katawan, no? Parang balahibo nila, kulay lang magkaiba eh.
Ang ganda niya.
Kulay lang sila.
Uy, love, love. Abby!
Abi?
Oh, sus! Ganyan lang talaga nila, no? Yung lahi nila. Oh, sus! Marioso. Ay, sus! Ay!
Abi! Ako na may wersa sa'yo eh. Kasi maligo.
Once lang ho. Once lang.
Once a month.
Asos! 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 Wow! Ay! Oh my God! Ang dami na-meet ni Kaimu na viewers. So cute. We're just walking. Wee wee! Napabili kami ng bowl dito sa Hobbs. Nice naman kasi sobrang uhaw si Kaimu. They have water. Yay! Rest muna, rest. Say thank you. Okay, tumigil muna kami sa loob. After niya mag-water, nagpahinga muna siya. He's so tired. We spotted another American bully sa labas. Baka lumabas kami in a bit. Okay, we got another American bully, si Jumbo.
Ano siya? Pocket?
Pocket, pocket.
Pocket, micro pocket.
Oh my gosh!
Sa kanya ato siya.
Pocket, yeah. Okay, last stop is St. Louis. Uminom siya ng water na may ice. Sobrang pagod siya. I got the shoes from Ethan Cash na. Super, mukha siyang brand new. I love it. Super clean. We're gonna have dinner over here. Tama, diba? St. Louis. Okay. So, buti na lang yung strip ng mga food joints dito. Lahat sila dog-friendly. Time was just resting. Hi, guys! Oh, poor baby. So tired. Cute naman yung bowl na binili namin sa kanya. So anyway, just having a crepe and a glass of wine. Yummy! Good boy, Kaimu! He's another dog! He's another dog! Hi! Papa is so tired. Oh, Papa. I love you. My friend si Kaimu. Kamukha ni Mishka. Cute pa eh, no? Cutie. Kaimu, in fair, ang linis ng shoes ko. Again, I got it cleaned at Ethan Cash. Love it. How are you, Baba? Ito na yung binili namin na lagayan. $469. I like the color. And, wala. Nakalimutan ko kasi magdala kanina. Nakakaloka. So, anyway, that's good. Cute naman yung color, diba, Bob? You had so much fun, no? Yay! So, I'm super happy na hindi umulan. And, natuloy yung Sunday day out ni Kaimu kasi I've been really planning on this ilang weeks na. Hindi lang natutuloy kasi nga sobrang ulan ng ulan. But today was super fulfilling because we saw a lot of bullies. Like, three American bullies. And, wala, it's really fun. And I love it when Kaimu plays with American bullies kasi nga, like I mentioned earlier, mahirap maghanap ng kalaro for Kaimu because of his build. I'm very cautious kapag mga small dogs yung mga kalaro niya kasi pwede niya talagang daganan ng bonggang-bongga. So yun, I'm super happy. Si Abby kalaro niya kanina, and you saw naman how rough they were, but they're totally fine. So sobrang fun. Worth it lahat ng pawis ko ngayong araw na to. Like super duper pawis ang bongga. But then lang I wore a dress lang. And medyo pressed ko sa elephant grounds. But then again, madaming lamok. And then we moved to sa may St. Louis area, sa may Central Square. Super init, but totally fine. Totally fine. So my plan for the rest of the evening is to film videos. Since I have creative juices flowing in my brain, so sabi ko, I wanna film. So I just need to freshen up a little bit, retouch my makeup, and then we'll start filming. By the way, pauwi, GRABPET did not work again, so I'm not really sure. Beta mode ba siya ngayon? Parang beta mode lang si GRABPET, but walang cars available at all, papunta and pabalik. So I had to book 2 regular 6-seater Grab cars. And sabi ko ba kanina, anyway, I'm gonna show you kasi super fun ni Kuya. So I messaged him, yung papunta kami ng Highstreet, I messaged him, sabi ko, Kuya, okay lang ba may aso akong dala? Bagong ligo naman siya. And then nakakatawa yung reply niya, sabi niya, okay lang po, buti pa nga yung aso na ligo na eh, ako hindi pa. So sobrang nakakatawa. His name is Aaron Celia Noche. Thank you so much, Kuya Aaron. So yun, totally 5 stars kasi alam mo naman, like, as in, kanina wala kami masakyan. Sabi ko, please. And then pauwi din, I also asked, sabi ko, kung okay lang may dog, okay lang daw. So, thank goodness or thank God for people talaga na talagang inaalaw nila kahit, you know, kahit may pet ka. So, they make life so much easier. And I hope that GRABPET works in the future. Kasi naman, di ba girl? Sayang naman. And, yeah. I need to freshen up because I'm burning up. Sobrang init. Nakikipaglaro. Give it to mommy. That's my ball. Is that your ball? Are you sure? No, that's mama's ball. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get your ball. No, Bobber. Is that your favorite ball? Yes. Give it to mama.